Good morning from Koko Head Park. That name rings a bell. You probably know why we're here. We are going to be hiking Koko Head today. How you guys feeling?
We didn't do it.
I'm nervous.
A little nervous as well, but I think we'll be fine. Hell yeah. You guys ready? All right. I'm gonna keep going.
Okay, go. Leave me.
So guys. Look how far you already come.
I can't look back right now. I'm gonna stop here just for a second.
Okay. It has been not even 10 minutes. I feel like we have a decent pace though. Ew. Steps get a little weird over there, but there's this bypass on the side to avoid it. I don't know if you guys want to do it or if you want to take the bypass.
Just give me a second.
I'd like to.
I'll
Horrible.
Huh?
That's the dude that's doing my tattoo today.
Is it really?
That's his Instagram handle.
Oh.
We're making it good time.
At what cost though?
It's actually easier than I thought. Careful, it's pretty a little steep here.
Maybe they're not even.
Big drop off here. Awesome physique, man.
Oh,
You did great, bro. What's up, guys? Alright, looks like about towards the end, I can see victory. Keep going. You got this. Let's go, Nima. Get up there. Last little step.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're good.
Oh, you're good.
she's almost here.
Yeah. There's still a few more to get to the very top though.
Sorry.
You're here, Nima, you're here. Yeah. One more look, Nima. That guy's slow. Very top, Koko Head. We did the damn thing.
Made it.
Oh yeah, we're proud of you guys.
Did it.
Yo. Hey, hey. How do you guys feel during it?
I struggled. You know, I didn't know what to expect, but I struggled. But you know what? I made it.
What about you, Nima?
It was challenging. It was tough. But,
Which was harder than Diamond Head.
yeah, just kept doing little steps at a time, and eventually we made it up the never-ending hill.
I was trying to go back and forth between my dominant leg for the step and my non-dominant leg, and at some point, like, it just didn't matter. It was just all hard.
They were all not.
It didn't get hard for me until a little bit after the overpass, like a few sections after, where it got really steep, really quick.
I was seeing little
And then I
blocks
was like, oh shit.
of the numbers going down. The first one I noticed, I think, was 18.
Yeah.
And then when Nima and I were in the back together, I finally saw like 6.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, we're getting there, we're getting there. But honestly, it also just felt like forever.
Almost there seemed like a long time.
Yeah.
We kept saying, okay, we're almost there, we're almost there. And I asked like 2 different people. I was like, are we really almost there? And they said, yeah, you're really close. I said, okay. And I told him, I was like, I'm starting to get cranky because the almost there is not working anymore.
And now we go down the mountain. Oh, I already sketched out going down.
I know.
I'm gonna be really slow going down. All right, one last glance. One last time for a while. One last view. Congratulations.
Thank you. Come on. Yeah. Got it. Yo, that's the easy part now. There we go. Although
Hell yeah.
still a race for me to run, I can't give up. Come on.
You got this, bro. You got this, bro.
I can't give it. And I can't give up, won't give up, can't give up. Never.
You guys are almost there. You're very close.
Almost done by now, right?
Yeah, you're close. You're very close. How you guys doing?
I'm okay, I'm just being cautious.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot easier on the way down.
Yeah, it is actually.
Otherwise it's easy. I'm just,
I'd be going faster, but you know.
I'll let you catch back up here.
Well, she's not my friend. Good job, guys.
I'm hungry.
I'm starving. There's a kid who was crawling. He's like, I want to be safe. And then he was
That's, I think we passed him.
kid with the
He's like,
glasses.
yay, Dad. He's
Really
like,
cute.
he's like, is there another dangerous part?
What's up? There's a thing. I don't want you guys to trip.
Oh,
Right here?
this thing?
Yeah.
Look at us taking the road less traveled.
Careful, slippery. I'm good. Nima, I'd use this tree to help you down this part. There you go. Good job. A little rock, you guys.
You'll be fine.
Coming down's a lot faster.
Yeah, we're hauling ass.
Good?
Good job, Nima.
Good.
Oh yeah, it's a lot better, guys. No one currently going up. No one currently getting started. overall, not bad at all. Thought it was gonna be a lot worse than it was. Yeah, not bad. Hell yeah. She had a little jump off this step at the end. Yeah.
Okay, we did it. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Little jump, Nima. Yeah.
Yes.
Hell yeah. You did it, bro. Congrats. You guys killed it. You guys, we made it down in like
Hour 37.
total time. It would just maybe be over an hour. Because I stopped mine when we were like looking around taking pictures.
Yeah, I didn't stop.
And I timed it going back down. I mean, I was at like 59 minutes.
Pretty proud.
My hands are pudgy. Look at this.
Get some water. Let's get some breakfast. Yeah, go for it.
Send it to me, Nina.
We did it.
You did it. Proud of you, brother.
Proud of you too, bro. You killed it.
We did this at the perfect time because now it's getting hot.
I was telling Nima coming down
Yeah.
that if the sun was like this going up, I wouldn't do it. I would stop.
My hat is disgusting. It is like covered in sweat.
Telling I going down, I was like, I can't believe we walked all the way up these.
Yeah.
Even going down seemed like a lot.
I would have been faster if that lady would just pull over to the side.
Well, and then she did, because she was on the phone.
I heard her
And
answer the
I
phone.
passed her.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I meet up with her, and then she proceeds to start walking again because she did move over to the side.
And blocked the way. Yeah. That was the worst part of the hike, was her. Post-hike refuel. It's okay. It's okay. No worries.